In this video, I tested different types of fireworks to see which is the best. I bought a ton of fireworks to test which is the best. Let's start by testing this. It was kinda nice, with all the different colors. However, it does not shoot up and explode in the sky. Next, let's test the one on the left. I shortened the video so that you don't have to watch the whole 3 minutes of the explosion. This explosion lasted for 3 minutes, which was quite long. Next, let's test this. This was quite short, but very beautiful. After rating these 3, I still can't decide which is the best, so please share your in the comments.